discounted life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, with shorty's name account.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada. If you are new here, welcome to the family vacation vlog. So y'all, we just landed and now we're about to go to baggage claim. All of my family's in here. My family's up there, and the only people we're missing is my uncle and his family, and my sister and her family. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This video is probably going to be a house tour. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It's going to be a house tour video, and I'll just break it up probably in between days, however it goes. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and just keep on watching. Look at my family, guys. Mommy. See, I already know the infamous airport vibes. Y'all already know I got on my Yeezys. I'ma try not to wear my Yeezys out this trip. But we'll see. I'll probably wear my Yeezys like every single day, honestly. Y'all, so we got hungry. So right now we're about to go get some food from the Cheesecake Factory. My boo walking. She said she gotta use the bathroom. And here's my wonderful family. So yeah, y'all, we about to go get some food and I'll show y'all what I end up getting from here. Alright, y'all, so we are at the Cheesecake Factory just to get something after we landed from the airport, and I have the farfalle pasta. I believe it has chicken inside, but that is what it looks like. I'm about to grab y'all. Alright, what is up, y'all? We have finally made it to our Airbnb. Like I showed y'all, we are in like the Windsor resort in Davenport, Florida, not Orlando. It's about like a 30-minute drive to Orlando. But we have, let me show y'all the outside. And it has a lot of rooms. So I'm gonna give y'all a house tour. And first and foremost, we have the garage here. Let me show y'all. We're starting off with a nice big garage. And we come up to the door. And we have a nice entrance here, and we make our way to the first bedroom. I was trying to record this before everybody got here and get all laid out and stuff. The first bedroom, it's really nice, has a closet there, and a bathroom. Super nice, stand-in shower. They're currently upstairs trying to figure out the room situation, but I'm just vibing, y'all. It's just a vibe. Just come vibe with me. So here we have I forget what you call this. I know the word, I just can't think of it. The washer and dryer. And this door is the garage. So then, before we get in this part, I want to show y'all this other bedroom that's in here. Very, very nice. It's a TV, nice mirror in here, cute little chair, and a jacuzzi tub, his and her sinks. Super nice. And then I don't know what's out here. I'm actually going through the house with y'all. Ooh, y'all. Look. It's such a nice patio out here. I'm definitely gonna be out here chilling. So let me get closer. I think that's a jacuzzi over there. So now we're gonna make our way to the kitchen. So the kitchen is very nice. I actually just noticed that they had a fridge here and a fridge there, which makes sense because there's so many rooms. So fridge. Here is a pantry, a nice huge pantry. 2 nice big dining tables, and then I showed y'all you could get to the patio from my mom's room. And then you open up the sliding door and you can come back out to the patio. Is really warm out here. It feels really good. So now I'm excited to show y'all the upstairs part. So we're gonna walk up these stairs, and we first enter the like entertainment lounge area. As you can see, we have like a pool table. What's this game called?
This game? This game?
No, this one.
I don't know.
I don't know what that's called. Is that like a shuffleboard or something? So I'm gonna show y'all the first bedroom,
This bedroom is this?
and it has a bathroom as well.
Can you
So right here is me and Jasmine's room. It's where we're gonna sleep. It's only a little tight because of this dresser right here, but it's also nice to have the storage space. And we also have a full mirror right here as well. Oh, y'all, I didn't know we had our own bathroom. So we also have our own bathroom too, and really nice. If I sound out of breath, y'all, congested, it's because I am. I don't know what's going on, getting over like a sinus infection or something, but yeah. And then we have closet space. I don't know what number bedroom we're on, but, and this is number 2. So have their own bathroom. I'm pretty sure this is like a trend. I think each room has its own bathroom, which is pretty convenient. So like I told y'all, the entertainment area got these little, these are cute, these little seats, foosball table, 2 TVs, pretty nice in here. So now we're gonna go to, oh, I didn't even show y'all the detail. You got, if you're a Star Wars fan, all the ships, and I don't want to mess up his name because I know his name, but him, the detail on the wall is nice. Hopefully I'm not taking y'all too fast. The next room is this cute Nemo themed room. Y'all could probably hear the kids. I'm glad I could really get this room tour out the way before all the kids get in here. But they have a closet as well. So it's a nice big bed and bunk beds in here. And
No.
here's another bathroom right here, as y'all can see. And here is the walk-in shower. So the other room is bunk beds. We have Mickey Mouse themed bunk beds. Super cute. They have a little poster here as well, which is so cute. You can see the detail in the walls as well, and the stuffed animals. So nice. And they have a TV and a closet, and they're almost done. So then, once we come over this side, we have another bedroom, closet, full mirror, full bathroom. I mean, it's like a trend now. Like, I'm not even turning on the lights anymore at this point. But it's really nice, very spacious in here. And then we have this is super cute. This is an Anna and Elsa room. I'm sure my niece and my other little cousin is gonna love it. How cute is this? And the chandelier, super cute.
Their closet is bigger than ours. Nice.
Oh, and they also have
But we don't.
they have a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Oh, they have a Jack and Jill. That's fine.
Super cute. This one has a tub though, which is convenient if you have small children It's convenient. So this is the other bedroom with a full mirror, really nice, and a closet over here. Now my grandma wants to say hey.
Oh my God, it's fresh air near the pool.
Fresh air.
Let's go get in my swim clothes.
Yep.
And it's on. It's on, girlfriend.
So this is the end of the house tour. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end this video here or not, but I will let y'all know. All right, y'all, I'm back. My camera died. But now we're about to go to the store, so I'm gonna take y'all with me, probably do like a grocery haul or something. So I'll pick y'all back up when we get to the store. Hopefully we're going to Publix and not like Walmart or anything, but I will let y'all know. All right, y'all, so like I said, we are at Publix and I'm gonna show y'all what I get from there. I'm not sure how busy it is inside. I feel kind of awkward recording in public sometimes, so I'm gonna see what I see.
You deserve it.
Just do yourself.
Don't look right here. You deserve it. Wave your hand.
I don't
Tell
want
Lord
to
thank you.
participate.
Tell God
I don't
thank
want to
you.
participate. Quick worship intermission. All right, y'all, so I went grocery shopping and I shopped like a child, mind you. So this is just like the first round of groceries, just a few snacks till we figure out what we really want to make like meat wise. So I just got a few snacks and I bought almond milk, some yogurt, water, Reese's, creamer, and some coffee. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finally back at the house. I showed y'all a few of my groceries. They really were just little snacks until we figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. I know tomorrow is Universal, so that's gonna be a whole separate video. But today was just really the house tour, a little bit of like a grocery haul. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be plenty more videos to come, and I will see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, like this video before you guys leave. And I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.